Okay, now that all of those slots are cut, I want to show you another existing mold. And this mold, as you see, has been cut down. It's not this huge size, so it's cut down just so that it doesn't weigh so much. So I've used this one as a pattern, and I've traced the dimensions onto the mold that we're building. And so I'm going to go over to the bandsaw and cut out this smaller shape so that we can then put the mold together. So I'll do that next. So now both halves of the mold are cut down. Everything's fitting together very nicely. There's our slot. The threaded rod goes right in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go cut a couple of these threaded rods down, just hacksaw them off, put a wing nut and a regular nut on the ends, and bolt our new mold together so that we can then start shaping the top. So I will go cut these rods and be back in a few.